What happens when you take a shortcut in life? Thinking no one sees, but Allah sees every step. Some crimes leaves a mark on the world, some crimes leaves a mark on the soul. Ayan thought he was just taking a shortcut. He did not realize that one moment of anger could destroy a life, and his own forever. Ayan was an ordinary man. He worked a modest office job, came home to a small apartment and tried to live quietly. People call him polite, calm, invisible. No one will have guessed what was brewing in his mind. Pressure builds from all sides. Family expectations, bills piling up, co-workers mocking him, social humiliation. He had once prayed for patience, he had once trusted Allah. But now his mind began seeking shortcuts. There was one person who pushed him to the edge, Imran, his co-worker. Imran never missed a chance to insult him, mock his mistakes, and embrace him in front of others. At first, Ayan ignored him. He tried patience, he tried prayers. But months of ridicule and humiliation can make anger grow silently. It whispered in his mind at night, what if I make him stop permanently? One evening after a tense meeting, Imran considered Ayan. Words became sharp, voices rose, and for a moment Ayan lost control. It was not planned, it was not calculated, it was one moment of anger, one rush moment, and Imran was gone. The room was silent. Ayan's heart raced. His hands shook. He started at what he had done. This was murder, and it changed everything. Ayan did not run immediately. He thought, I can fix this. I can hide it. No one will know. He cleaned the room. He told a small lie to explain Imran's absence. He returned home, pretending everything was normal. But silence, it was not peace. The mind remembers, the heartbeats was gone. Days passed. Every sound terrified him. Every knock on the door made him jump. Every phone ring felt like the moment of exposure. He avoided the office. He avoided people. He avoided prayer. Because now facing Allah felt heavier than facing anyone else. Guilt becomes a prison. Sleep becomes impossible. Food had no taste, life had no color. Investigators were quietly gathering clues. Neighbors noticed a heated argument that night. Colleagues remembered tensions, a missing phone, and some evidence left uncleaned. Ayan felt the ball closing in. He realized no shortcut, no lie, no hiding would save him. Inside his mind, Ayan kept repeating, I did not plan this. It was not my intention. I just lost control. But intention does not erase consequence. Islam teaches that every action has accountability. Even if people forgive, Allah sees. Even if the world forgets, Allah never forgets. Ayan's heart knew the truth, but he kept running from it. The knock on his door came earlier one morning, calm, firm, certain. Ayan did not resist. He did not try to escape because deep inside, he already knew this moment would come. No lie could outrun justice forever. The handcuffs felt heavier than anything else. It was not just the metal on his wrist, it was the weight of guilt, regret, and realization. Prison walls were solid, but the real punishment was invisible. Facing himself, facing the life he had taken, facing his parents' grief, facing his lost future. Even if he escaped human justice, the Quran says, whoever kills a soul, it is as if he has killed all of mankind. And Ayan finally understood. Alone in his cell, Ayan did something he did not done in years. He prayed, not for escape, but for comfort. Ya Allah, I was wrong. I took a life. I cannot undo it. Please forgive me before you judge me. Tears flowed freely. For the first time in months, he felt a glimmer of peace. Because Allah's mercy is closer than the heartbeat. Crime promises relief, sins promises comfort, but only fear, guilt, and regret remain. Even if the world forgives, the soul remembers, and Allah's justice is always present. Taking a life is not just a crime against the victim, it is a crime against humanity and against Allah. Repentance cannot bring back the life, but it can save the soul from eternal regret. If you are watching this, maybe you have not committed murder, but maybe you have hidden anger. Maybe you have secrets that could destroy your life if acted on. This story is a reminder. Return before your anger takes a shortcut, before your decision cross the line. Think before your heart acts, because even when no one sees, Allah sees everything. If this story touched your heart, comment I choose patience and the right path. Remember, shortcut in life may seem easy, but they destroy more than they save. Justice may be delayed, but it never fails. Assalamu alaikum.